Hey there, are you looking for a way to use Topaz Video AI completely free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up right on your PC. Stick around until the very end. To kick things off, head over to our website to download and launch the installer. This step is necessary to automatically fetch the latest available version and download all the required assets. The primary download phase is now complete. Next up, we have one more brief installation step to go through. Let's dive right in. Alright, now let's run a quick check to see if we actually got the fully working paid version of Topaz Video AI completely for free. Yes, this is definitely the pro version. You can download it right now on our website. Thanks so much for watching.